crypto with, I think, a very important update on the cannabis stocks. We go for a very quick run today through the stocks so you get all the information in a short amount of time, starting out with Tilray today. Why? Because Tilray is printing an insane W structure and yesterday had a significant pullback to the chart. So if I put on my chart here for you guys, we can see that Tilray, after this 5-wave impulse to the upside, had a 3-wave move down on the hourly. We can track it: 1 down the A, 2 up B, and then another one down the C wave here into the lows. So in my opinion, my co-analysis partners, we actually think that 3 is in now. Tilray should be in the 3 now, then have a 4 and a 5 to finish up this immediate push out with this W structure here, okay? So this should be a 1-2 setup. As long as this level holds, this 1-2 setup is actually valid, okay? Important, our wave 4 will not go below wave 1, and then we are good for a big wave 5, because in commodities, which cannabis technically is, wave 5s are usually extensions or actually get bigger. Okay, so it's not the wave 3 that is the huge wave here, but the wave 5. So we could also see something like this here unfold, and this would be still possible, guys. So this is what I'm seeing for Tilray. Amazing, crazy entry today right now here. Why? As I told you, I pulled the Fibs one more time down from here to here. You can see that these are the exact Fibs, okay, the ones I have on my chart. So it came back perfectly to the 0.786. You will probably not see this stock so low. If you imagine the potential here from $2, you would go back to your old all-time high. Just saying, that would be an insane 140,000%. Sounds crazy, but the structure it's showing actually that it might be working on something big here. So this is a very beautiful big structure. Let's go into ACB. ACB, what do we have on the chart? On ACB, we actually, apologize me guys for 1 second. On ACB, we also think that the wave 2 might be completed now. It's not so sure how it is now for Tilray, because obviously this is a short wave 2. And if this is a 5-wave move, I mean, we can say 1-2 setup, basically a wave 3, a 4, and a 5, and now it was A, B, C down. So I would go with it and say this is a wave 1 finished, and now it's a 2 in. And if we go to the smaller time frames, you guys can see how we were able to perfectly nail this kind of pump today, because we just see that the structure is more or less mimicking what it has done prior. Okay, so the next thing that was to follow was this actual pump here, and yeah, we just had it spot on here on this trend line with this actual fractal that comes from here. It's just a replication basically in a bit different manner. And yeah, the price target of the 3, I would say, taking here the Fibs 1.618, 2.618 is somewhere in here. So yeah, around the $10 to $12, $16 for this wave 3, and then another pullback and a wave 5 for Aurora to actually push out of this bottom and go its way, okay? Canopy growth, the same thing, only here I think it's more likely that we can pull back into this box, into this zone still at 699. Right now the chart looks strong. It looks actually like this W that is forming here, which is like Solana prints Ws, guys. I'm just saying this is super powerful. Solana prints Ws like this and then does this and then still breaks out crazy. These Ws, they might get confirmed around those areas, so it actually was there now, okay? Structure just confirmed in a way, and then from here you move on. So I would say it is not 100% certain the low is in, and we just go higher from here, but it is an option, because if I pull those Fibs again, you guys can see that those Fibs are the Fibs that we actually have on the chart, okay? And yeah, basically we tried to go there yesterday. The whole cannabis sector dumped, but Canopy was just steady and nice. And here's like a falling wedge pattern forming as well, which gives some bullish indication here. Could see it breaking out, to be honest, and then continue this trend, just saying. And then Cronos, last but not least, what is Cronos doing? On Cronos, we have a nice wave count, in my opinion, on the hourly. After this first 5-wave move, where our wave 3 is this time huge, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We basically can see that we have a 3-wave move down, so A, B, C down, and now we are creating a 1-2 setup. I already spotted this 1-2 setup to be a 1-2, so I think this is a small 1-2. We are now in a 3, 4, 5, and this is just another big, basically a 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, and a 5. Important is the 4 doesn't go below. I don't know where our 4 is here. Yeah, exactly. So this is what we could be seeing here for Cronos. So overall, very bullish on this market, looking quite nice and solid. I think the phase of misbelief, disbelief is going to end quite soon here for the cannabis sector. So then they just gonna, people gonna buy and accept that there's so much money in the markets right now, especially in the crypto sector. Crypto people, they like gambles, like cannabis stocks. They are just a way to diversify, and they have huge potential. They came from a 6-year bear market and are forming those kind of structures where absolutely every liquidity is fully taken. Okay, so that is kind of why those things are quite interesting to me still, and think we're gonna pump out for all of them. So thank you, have a nice day, guys. Bye bye. Ciao, 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 ciao.